In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google map into Notion. By the end, you'll have an interactive map sitting neatly inside your Notion page, ready to share directions, highlight a meeting spot, or showcase any location you care about. Start in your web browser by opening Google Maps. In the search bar, type the place you want to feature. This could be an address, a landmark, or even a business. Once the map loads, take a moment to customize the view so it looks exactly the way you want it to appear in Notion. You can switch between the standard map and satellite view using the buttons in the corner, and use the plus and minus controls to adjust the zoom level. Aim to center the location and set the zoom so the important details are clear without feeling too close or too far away. Think of this like framing a photo. The way you set it here is how it will present in Notion. When the map looks right, go to your browser's address bar and copy the full URL. Copying from the address bar captures your chosen view and zoom level, so the embed will match what you are seeing now. Here is no need to open the Share menu for this method. Just ensure you are on a regular Google Maps page and not a private or restricted map. Now, head over to your Notion page. There are two simple ways to embed the map. The first is to paste the URL onto a new empty line. Notion will recognize it and offer an option to create embed. Click that and you'll see the map load right inside your page. If you prefer using commands, the second method is to type a /, then the word embed and press enter. A box will appear. Paste the same Google Maps URL there and confirm. Both methods produce the same result, so use whichever feels faster to you. Once the map appears, you can fine-tune its size. Click the embedded map to select it. Then drag the handles on the left and right edges to make it wider or narrower. If you are arranging content side by side, you can also drag the block to create columns and fit the map alongside text, images, or checklists. Give the embed a second to refresh after resizing, so the tiles load crisply. That's all it takes. Choose your location in Google Maps. Copy the URL, embed it in Notion, and adjust the size to suit your layout. If the preview doesn't load, double-check that you pasted a standard Google Maps link and that your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching.